In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Meet recording. In our current digital era, where remote work and education have become the norm, knowing how to record your Google Meet sessions can be invaluable. Whether it's for keeping records, reviewing meetings, or ensuring that those who couldn't attend can catch up, recording is a feature you'll want to utilize, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First up, navigate to Google Meet. It's as simple as opening your favorite web browser and heading over to meet.google.com. Once there, you're greeted by a familiar interface ready for your next virtual meeting. Next, to kick things off, you're going to start an instant meeting. On the Google Meet landing page, you'll find the option to start an instant meeting. Go ahead and click that. This action launches a new meeting room, essentially creating a virtual space where your meeting will take place. Now, with your meeting started, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots or more options symbol. Clicking this will open up a menu full of additional features that Google Meet offers. This is where Google Meet hides some of its more advanced functionalities. Within this menu, direct your attention to the top of the list where you'll find the recording option. Selecting recording will prompt Google Meet to start recording your session. It's a straightforward way to ensure every part of your discussion is captured. However, it's essential to note that recording on Google Meet isn't available to everyone by default. This capability is reserved for those with premium accounts or active subscriptions. It's a feature designed for professional or educational use, so if you're part of an organization, school or business that relies on Google Workspace, you should have access. If not, you might need to consider upgrading or speaking to your administrator. In today's guide, we walk through the steps to enable recording in Google Meet, a valuable tool for any virtual environment. Remember, recording meetings can serve numerous functions, from legal compliance and record keeping to educational and training purposes. Just make sure everyone in the meeting is aware that they're being recorded, as transparency and consent are crucial. So there you have it. You now know how to record your sessions in Google Meet, capturing every moment for posterity, review, or sharing. Whether it's a critical business meeting, an educational lecture, or just a casual catch up with your team, recording on Google Meet is a feature that enhances the way we communicate digitally. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more handy guides and tutorials.